Man, I had 3 scenes nicely set up. I goofed. Well, yeah, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. I'm definitely with the media module front on. I'm not sure why I had just the camera only part of the mic on. I don't know. I hate the shorts on the GoPro when it's on the lower parts of the thing. The upper ones work. The lower ones, they're very difficult to press. Nobody complains about that. Why? There's that school bus again. And like I said, when I deleted the scenes, I should have kept them. Now, the reason why I don't like the shortcuts is sometimes the badges, the icons, and the symbols, they may not be to your liking, but you get used to them. I did eventually over time. Now, when you know, the school bus, that was a sign. You know what type of sign that was? Well, yeah, double up. You see a guy in the distance on the mountain, and you see a sky shot. And you see a window here with the design, and that is DJI's way of saying there's a debut today at 9 a.m. Oh yeah, and what could it be? And people are thinking it's going to be the Pocket 3, and they're talking about the Osmo 4. So everything that just has happened in my beginning scenes, yeah, will lead up to me going to watch what? A minute and a half of video, and then seeing everybody else's video of the product that DJI released, and not telling you early on what it is, and we have to guess from other people. Just hours away, minutes away, we all know what it is, and then you can all be saying whatever you want. Now, yeah, when I swipe up on the GoPro and I go to the media section, playback, the same thing. If I wanted to delete a video and I press the button, I gotta hit it a couple of times before my fingers get there. Well, I think I'm on firmware 1.50, and I haven't followed anymore with the firmware with the camera. I've basically given up on it because I'm happy with the firmware that's on here, because I could hook up my media module, I could connect to the computer, and I could do everything I want. And I'm hearing people coming to me saying, well, I got the media module, firmware 1.50, and I can't get a connection to the computer to get my files off. I'm sorry. Maybe the official cable you have is broken. Maybe you got an aftermarket cable that's these 3 or 4 plugs that don't have things in there. And I have a cable that if I plug that in, it won't work. And I have a cable that's aftermarket that does work. So I'm not sure what the issue is. Oh man, the bugs are just coming out. The DJI spies. I've been with GoPro for such a long time. I'm happy with them in many ways. I've been with DJI since they had their first action camera come out, and I'm happy with it as well. You know, I'd rather have something that's going to give me better sound, better image quality, definition, and that's where I fall into GoPro. And I miss the features of DJI. I miss the, not the touchscreen. Don't care about the touchscreen. I miss the 3-second shut off. So this way I could prevent my camera from shutting down, delete the thing. But I wish there was a feature that would allow me to continue the 3-second shutdown in the DJI. Meaning if I interrupt it and take a video, I want it to go back to a 3-second until I turn it off. And that's something that DJI won't do. Once you interrupt it, the camera's going to stay on no matter what you do until you turn it off. Well, it's time for me to get on my bike get on out of here. Oh man, I just love the background. Don't you hear that noise? Free to go. Oh yeah, I got a lot of things to do. I gotta take care of business again today, and I gotta get things really done. And I got a lot of places to go. I got a very busy schedule. Don't you just love that? When everything, you know, is so busy. And I gotta make a video and help one out. And I'm gonna try to do my best to show my setup and how I do it in the ways I do it. But I have troubles myself, and at least I take my information, I help others out, and that's who I am. So if you see, want, do, I will share. Yeah, see one, do one, teach one. I'm like that. I did a great video. I left it on my screen, and it's up there. Yeah, it really helped people out, and that's, again, who I am. I like that picture. You like that picture? Who am I? Time for me to wrap this bad boy up. Put you down, put you on the recharge, and go all over again and repeat. We always do repeats, man. Repeats are great. Yeah, but what else can I say? I'm Fish, and I'll see ya later.